Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Pulinday TV. I just want to say good morning to all friends and families na nakatira sa ibang bansa that it's your morning time. And good afternoon sa lahat naman ng OFWs, mga kababayan, na kung saan ay it's your afternoon din kung saan po kayo naroon. And good evening sa lahat naman ng ating mga kababayan who lives in other country that it's your night time. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat. Ngayon, kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, please share, likes, comments down below, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Pulinday TV from Ilocos Sur. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa inyong suporta and God bless us all. May the love of God be with us always and forever. Bye-bye!
Good evening, everyone. My name is Coco. I'm 11 years old. Today, I have a different story for you. Lost in the dump. Brent and Kent went to the dump. The dump was out west. They were looking for stuff to make a bike ramp. "This dump stinks," said Brent. "We must make this our last task." "I cannot last in a stinky dump if I do not have a gas mask," said Kent. They stomped in the stinky dump, past lots of stuff like a bust pipe and drenched cans. "See this big stick?" said Kent. "It is the best stick for a bike ramp." "The stick is bent," said Brent. "It is not the best." "See this hunk of junk?" said Brent. "I don't think it will make a ramp," said Kent. Brent said, "We must get a ramp fast. We don't have much time left." Kent and Brent went fast. "Help!" yelled Brent. "I tripped on a stump and my leg is stuck." Kent lifted the stump so Brent could get out. Kent felt Brent's leg. It had a lump with a long cut. It looked bent. "We have to get back home for help," said Kent. "I can limp home," said Brent. Brent jumped on his left leg. He could not go fast. He could not trust his bad leg. The sun had set. It was dusk. Kent had to lift Brent at last and got home. They did not get stuff for a bike ramp. Brent busted his leg. He had to get a cast. His dad made a grand ramp, but the ramp was not for bikes. The ramp was for Brent. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. My name's Angel. I'm 10 years old. Today, I have a story for you. Friend goes to the prom. Friend must go to the frog prom, but Fun does not have a dress with frills. Her dress is dragged. will not let her go to the prom. She has jobs for her to do. Friend has to dust the steps. Friends has to make grits and drill crab. Friends stamp mom don't not want friend to go to the prom. You cannot go to the prom unless you do your job. She stepped. Friend was sad. Just then friend say a little trim man. I am Brad the man. He said with drill, I will get you to the frog prom. With a slipped and a slap, Brad did the jobs. He dusted the steps. He made the drills and drilled crab. But I do not have a prom dress, sniffed Ron, with a spin and a spill. Mad the past dress with frill. But my slippers are too drab. They're drag, said friend. Brad grabbed the slippers with a sit and a spin. He made new red slippers. I love the dress, drilled friend. But how will I get to the prom? Brad got a grip on a drill. With a snip and a snap, he made a box into a slip. Brad grabbed the cat with a slip and a slap. Brad made the cat into a house. The house trolled up to the sled. You will take a trip on the prom on this sled, Fred said. Have a fun trip. You must be home at 10:10, Brad said. If you are not, the sled will be a box. The house will be a cat. Your dress will be a rag. Fran was off on the trip on the frog prom. It has not a drag, and it was the best frog prom ever. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you sa lahat ng supporters, sa lahat ng sumubaybay, at sa lahat ng mga nanood. Thank you so much for subscribing, sharing, and comments down below, at saka sa pag-thumbs up. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Thank you